In any other country, men would weep. Priests would renounce their gods. Children run crying. But in America, it's revered. It's the Titanic. It's the Mount Everest. It's a burger. Behold, the mighty HYOH-WU-MOOO Burger. Hey everyone out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. You're probably asking yourself, why are you standing in a kitchen? What does a kitchen have to do with anything with hiking? As many of you woo heads know, hey, if Michael Bolton can have bolt heads and Motley Crue can have croutons, we can have woo heads, okay? But as many of you guys know, when me and my compadres come off the trail, the first thing we like to go do is have a nice, delicious cheeseburger and a beer. So the other day, Bindlebag Joe was over at the house and we were talking and he asked me,
Jesse, as an official, unofficial cheeseburger aficionado, what would you say your idea of the perfect off-the-trail burger is?
So I came up with the idea of the HYOH-WU burger, or maybe we can just call it the HYOH-WU-MOOO burger.
Moo! I'm a cow, and I'm gonna grow up to be a hamburger someday.
What you're going to need to make this yummy burger is 2 hamburger patties, 1 German sausage, 2 strips of bacon, 1 egg, 1 slice cheddar cheese, 1 slice pepper jack cheese, onion, sauerkraut, ketchup, IPA mustard, 1 English muffin, butter, salt, and pepper. Notice I'm not using any mayo on this burger. I'm on a diet, trying to lose weight. First, let's get a pan warming up. Okay, let's go ahead and throw our 2 strips of bacon in there. Now let's take our German sausage and cut it right down the center, and we're gonna throw that in there with the bacon. Yeah, you know, I know a little German. He works as an elf at the mall during Christmas to make extra money to pay his gambling debts. Next thing we're gonna do is slice the onion to get it ready to grill. While all that yummy goodness is cooking together and working out its cultural differences, we're going to go ahead and throw the English muffin in the toaster. Now we're going to warm up the kraut. Let's grab a different pan and toss in our hamburger patties on a medium-high heat. My patties are thawed, so this won't take long. If you put a dimple in your burger, it won't plump up. Next up, we have the egg. How you cook it is up to you. I enjoy a messy burger, so mine's going to be done over easy. All right, time to flip the burgers and add the cheese. Let's prep the buttered buns. Bottom bun ketchup, top bun Stone IPA mustard. This mustard has a bit of a kick to it and will be good with the sausage. All right, the cheese is melted. Let's throw the burgers on the bun and finish this build. On this patty, we'll put our bacon and onion. On the top patty, put on the sausage. On top of the sausage, the kraut. And on top of the kraut, the egg. Apply the top bun. The reason I like the sourdough bun is because it's small and it doesn't overshadow the protein. When I bite into a burger, I want to taste a cornucopia of deliciousness, not some dumb bun. Oh, and what beer am I going to pair with the HYOH-WU-MOOO Burger? Oh, just a nice pint of black liquidation with the froth on the top, aka Guinness. It's messy. Cheers. Toodles?
Toodaloo.